Now we will solve few questions of my practice time 8. Find the product. Now we can solve directly by directly multiplied by numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator, right? So here we need to multiply. Okay, so 2 multiplied by 1, okay, and 3 multiplied by 4. So first we need to see that here 2 and 4, so this can be divisible, so we need to divide this, okay, by 2. So we can see that 2 ones are 2 and 2 twos are 4, right? Now we will multiply directly. So 1 ones are 1 and 3 twos are 6. So the answer is 1 by 6. Now question number B, 5 by 6 multiplied by 1 by 2. Okay, so here we will multiply, okay, numerator to numerator and denominator to denominator. So 5 multiplied by 1 and 6 multiplied by 2. So here we can see there is no any number in numerators and denominators which can be divisible with each other. Okay, so we need to multiply directly. So 5 ones are 5 and 6 twos are 12. So here 5 by 12 is the answer. Now J, 3 by 8 multiplied by 1 and 1 by 8. So dear students, here you know well that this is the mixed fraction, and we have already converted this mixed fraction into improper fractions, right? So first we need to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction, then we will multiply. Okay, let's see how. So convert mixed fraction to improper fraction. So how you know that? Whole part multiplied by denominator and adding with the numerator. Okay, so 1 8 is 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Okay, and denominator we will write as it is. Okay, so here now we will multiply 3 by 8 multiplied by 9 by 8. So again we can see there is no numbers are here in numerator and denominator which can be divisible with each other. Okay, so we will directly multiply. So 3 9s are 27 and 8 8s are 64. So the answer is 27 by 64. Now 5 by 6 multiplied by 3. Dear students, when a whole number can be written as fraction by dividing the whole number by 1. So here we can see that whole number is 3. So whole number is written as it can be written as a fraction, okay, by dividing 1, right? So here we are dividing this whole number by 1, okay, and in by doing this we can write 3 by 1. We can change this whole number as a fraction, right? So we can write here 5 by 6 multiplied by 3 by 1. Okay, so 5 multiplied by 3 upon 6 multiplied by 1. So here we can see that in numerator and denominator there is 3 and there is 6. So we can divide this 6 by 3. Okay, so here 3 ones are 3 and 3 twos are 6, right? So now we can see that here 5 multiplied by 1 and 2 multiplied by 1 here. So now we can multiply directly. So here 5 ones are 5 and 2 ones are 2. So the answer is 5 by 2.